What's going on, everybody? It's the Crypto Hound here. Hold the phone. Let's get the right mic on here. Now we should be sounding a lot better here. Check. Alright. Should be good. Switch. What's going on, everybody? It's the Crypto Hound here. So I want to read you this note page that I started about a month ago, and I watch all different kinds of crypto YouTube videos, and I just wanted to take away kind of what's been hyped up the most at this time, what's been talked about a lot, some video ideas, and I want you guys to comment on this video what I should break down more in future videos, stuff that you guys want me to talk about. Alright, so it's not just me blabbering all the time. So for some video ideas, I thought Dogecoin is a hyper real. I get that question all the time. We could talk about that in a video. Probably make a video about that anyway. Another video idea, how to stake crypto the right way, where to find the best offers on your APY, who can you trust, highest APY, and the safest. So there's two there. Then we do a TA video, which I'll probably do after this, just on an update after this crash. And then, is there any other competitor to XRP for global payments? Now, we're going to go into some US stocks and some crypto that have been talked about heavily recently, and you might want to take a look at or ask me to break them down in future videos. So, for US stock, there was this Lumens Telecom company, like a competitor to Verizon, AT&T, stuff like that. What else we got for US stocks? Ooh, we got Boston Dynamics. Then you got SQQQ. It's what the NASDAQ mimics. So it's the inverse of the normal QQQ, which is a ETF. So it's a bunch of companies coming together. It's pretty stable. But something interesting with this SQQQ one, it follows whatever the QQQ one does. I've said Q so many times. Hold the phone. So basically, you can see what QQQ, that ETF, and how it's performing. And then you can go over to SQQQ and say if QQQ goes down, you can say that the inverse of that will go up. So you can bet on that more likely. That was a cool idea that an FX trader brought to my attention. More into the USD to euros to yen, all the different kind of fiats. You have another US stock here that I wrote down, DDD. It's a 3D printing stock. And other than that, I think they're all... Oh, there's another one here, EC. You got to look that one up and let me know what it's about. I just wrote EC, US stock. So now for cryptos, I've heard a lot about IAG. And then another one is Corium, which there was an airdrop for XRP holders. Then they got Corium, and then there was the solo one that came after. I have here in my little notes, it's an enterprise grade blockchain. Sounds like Ripple, where it's a company. It's actually more established. So you have IAG, Corium, DAG, DAG. Know nothing about it. Can break it down further. Then you have Milk, MILK. Bullish or bearish on Milk? What are we feeling? Price of milk has always gone up. So what about the crypto? And then you have OP, Optimism, which is getting a lot of hype with the BitBoy Cryptos crew, but also there's some technical things with the stock that it might not be as bullish as people believe. Shout out to AJ. Yuga Labs, just NFTs in general. we could talk more about NFTs, do some videos, ask me what kind of NFT stuff you want to go over. But Yuga Lab seems like he is the main NFT creator, and there's a lot of hype, and this is what all the celebrities and the people with the money are investing in. So if any new Yuga Lab projects come out now in the bear market with a discounted price, because those Bored Apes are still pricey to get into, for me at least. If you have that kind of money, this is a good time to get in. Other than that, I think that's it. So that's gonna wrap up my note page paper that I've been keeping for the last month. Because everything that's bullish now in this bear market, I believe, will be the catalyst of the next bull run. I also believe tokens and cryptos and stocks that performed in the last bull market will do well in the next bull market. In particular, in the U.S. stocks, I'm invested a lot in the EV cars, the batteries, charging stations, kind of all across the board there. And then, like we went over before, you always got to have your dividends. You got to decide how you want to break that down in your portfolio and what percentage you want to have being more safer ETFs and dividend yielding stocks versus high risk stocks. But this is all for your own enjoyment and your own investing, and for you to learn as you go. So this is all good stuff. So I'm going to wrap this one up. I'm going to also post another video after this, so make sure you watch and follow some more videos. And make sure you comment and follow and subscribe to this video. The comments are going to go a lot further. I do not care as much about the likes. I'm just getting started. So yeah, comment what you want me to talk about in future videos. If there's something in the last month that crossed your mind and you haven't been able to look into it, let me look into it. Let me make a video about it. I'm going to try to start making videos every day and really trying to get this YouTube algorithm to work for me. So everyone listening and everyone watching, thank you so much for tuning in and staying. So I hope you guys all have a good rest of your year, and I hope you stay in touch. All friends, family out there. Be good, get invested, and man, I can't wait to celebrate once things start ripping to the upside. So stay well, be safe. Catch you on the next one. On the brown side. Alright, now. So now I'm just prepping, pulling up some articles for. This is going to be more of like an XRP update video. Just kind of record some videos, get them on YouTube. Make some content. So much has happened. So hard to cover it all. So I got to do one thing at a time. If you guys have anything you want me to talk about, let me know. Let's pull up the chat. Let's pull up the chat. Usually I have it attached to the view. Hey, Crypto Billy. Alright, let's pull this out and let's get talking. Dude, I can't wait to look at the charts. You got to give this market time to kind of play out. Tough to make videos every day of the freaking same price action. But honestly, having this crash, it's exciting. There's a lot more to talk about now in the market than there was yesterday. Let's see. Google Bar predicts XRP price in the next crypto bull market. Phew. Everyone's price predictions for XRP is insane. What did I see? $40,000 XRP. All right. 7 hours ago. FX Street. Let's look at FX Street. Okay. Huh. This was just published yesterday. I'm so surprised. And this guy's saying Bitcoin's going to coil back up and explode. Saw the Dow didn't look too bad, though. And if the Dow in the U.S. stock market remains bullish, it's a great thing for crypto. Indicates the bearish outlook in the market with an AO histograms also bolstering case for the bears. I believe the bears are winning right now, but something I saw on the chart, ready? Let me show you this. So something I saw on the chart. Oh, I gotta blow this up. Hold on. I could also pull up TradingView too, but they got the same moving averages in here. EMA 20, 50, 100, and 200. So we're staying above the 200 moving average. But when these two moving averages cross, which would be like the 50 and the 100 or something, which on my TradingView they did. Because this hasn't even collapsed to 50 cents yet because we're down here. Let's pull up TradingView and get into some technical analysis. So I've been playing with this a lot, man. Once you finally get some nice price action, it's so much easier to see kind of what's in store, look at the levels. That's incredible. Man, we dropped so much further back. But I'm still bullish on XRP, man. I really am. Crypto Billy, if you're still here, man, I appreciate you. Literally just went live on a drop of a dime. Was playing some video games and kept crashing. And I was like, you know what? It's time to go live. Let's bring the people what they want. I hate the on the board. We gotta move that. I could do not the frame. Intro, Twitter time. Nah, I would just leave that up. Make a video. It's fine. Alright, so for XRP, let's zoom in here to, let's do 3 month. And then let's put our moving averages on. Alright, so see how zoom in more. Hold on. The red was above the blue here and crossed. I think that was a huge signal saying that, all right, we're going lower. You know what I mean? If this red remained above the blue, it's a positive sign. But something special happened here, and that should have been a major signal. I'm surprised not a lot of people that I listen to were talking about this. That switch right there between the blue and the red going down. I believe once this red flips the blue, it's takeoff time. Because then if you zoom back out, I went to, if you even want to look before this breakout, it does the same thing. That red switching with the blue right before, and you could go back to the 384 pump, and you could see this trend play out time and time again. It doesn't take all the moving averages back except for this one. It's right though. Anyway, super bullish on XRP. I know we're down in price right now, but this is such a great opportunity to buy. People are basically throwing darts on Twitter at what caused the market to crash. People are saying it's Elon selling all of SpaceX's Bitcoin supply. I read that on Twitter. I believe that too, but people buy and sell every day. So you're just finding an article to pin to the price action to put this in history. Oh, this is when this happened. And it seems like we just keep on. Our timeline in stocks is overlapped with Elon Musk and Twitter feed. It's crazy. Like at the top of the market and of Doge. Remember when SNL came out and Elon was on SNL and we were all going nuts thinking that Doge was going to go to $1, and then it crashed. Kind of wild. All these events are followed by an Elon Musk event of some sort. Anyway, I know the XRP community is waiting for Elon to come out and tweet about XRP. I think he knows about it. I think he's... I don't know if he's in on it. I don't know if he's in on it. But if I was him, I would invest in it. I definitely would. I wonder why all they talk about for like companies' holdings is Bitcoin. Like, oh, this company owns this many Bitcoin. What about the altcoins? What percentage of altcoins do companies own? That'd be kind of cool to look up. All right, so on Twitter, you got XRPP goes the final shakeout. Basically saying, don't let one of these final shakeout moments affect you. Which one are we at now? I don't know. We don't know how many final shakeouts there is, but in history, when you see the biggest red day in 5 years, and it spikes below outside of the accumulation range. So what I mean by that, it's like, let's go to all. So say we had a wick that went down to like 18 cents for XRP. That's the best time to buy. Like back here, boom, we had this big wick down to 15 cents. If you bought there, that would have been the best time to buy. So some of these major wicks down below all-time lows are going to be your best buying opportunities. It's just like the inverse of selling at the top. So, XRP, super bullish on it. The court has appealed it. We can pull up a little article here on that. XRP, SEC appeal. So what I learned is anything that was decided in court can't get reversed. So XRP is not a security. But they could look at that ICO that was done way back and try to come after Ripple for money or something. All right, let's read this one by CoinDesk. SEC can try to appeal groundbreaking XRP ruling. A federal judge will let U.S. Securities Commission come through exchanges didn't violate securities laws. No, I got added. Federal judge Annalisa Torres announced filing appeal last week, hinting it would do so in July. No. Okay, that the appeal was going to come in July. I was like, don't make me wait another year. I've been patient enough, please. It's just a bearish narrative to go along with the news. The price didn't affect it immediately. Do you think it would if it was directly tied to the news? Right now, crypto's just selling off, and it's healthy. So let me know what you guys think about XRP. Feel free to check out my Instagram. I'm CryptoHound_69 on all different socials, Twitter, TikTok. Feel free to leave me a message. Please like and subscribe to the video, and let me know what I can break down for you guys in future videos. We're going to keep this one short for XRP because we're just waiting now. We're just waiting. See if we can get these moving averages to cross. Zoom in again. And let's look at the 3-month. Getting added like crazy. So we are really, look at all the volume in here too. Volume being super high. Oh, because everyone's buying the dip. Look how much volume's in here. 500,000? It's not bad. Compared to down here before it tanked. It's incredible. So volume coming in here for major support. Look for a pushback up. Starting to hit this 53 mark here. And then looking upwards of that 63 mark to regain where we came from. And then hopefully, in a matter of days, weeks, months, or years, we break out and finally hit that $8 to $10 range where we will begin to sell off. Maybe we'll sell a little bit more along the way. This is a plan. Maybe I gotta have a video about this, how to, as the stock is moving up, how you want to sell off and what percentage to in order to say maximize your gains. The best way to maximize your gains is to have crazy confidence, but that could also ruin you too. You know, you have crazy confidence and then you just wait. Bull market starts, wait. All-time high, discovery mode, and then right around that time where there's just insane euphoria, you sell. That's the only way you could capitalize on the most gains that you can make. But there's a way of securing profits as you go up too, so you don't lose your shirt if the market comes back down. Because the last time XRP went off, it went up for 2 weeks and came back down to the same price. So you cannot turn your head from this market too long, at least. You know? It's exciting. It's interesting. It's groundbreaking. How will crypto be influenced and utilized with the banking system now and other products, storefronts, commerce? So it's going to be real interesting. So that's all I got for XRP today, guys. Have a good one. Crypto Hound out. Wow. What's going on, everybody? It's the Crypto Hound here. I'm going to talk about XRP real quick. We have a huge sell-off in the market, and people are pinning it on Elon Musk that his SpaceX company sold all of his Bitcoin. It's just a news article. It might be true. I believe it. But people buy and sell stocks every day. All right? This is a sell-off happening. The Dow and U.S. stock market look like they're holding on. So this is strictly just a Bitcoin sell-off. Something I saw here in the chart, we see insane volume coming in right now. Switch it over. So we have insane volume down here, 24-hour volume at this bottom. So hopefully forming some nice support here. Buy right now. Buy. This is not financial advice. Make your own judgment, research. But I am expressing to buy because we haven't seen these prices since before the lawsuit ended. So this could be your last chance to get in before the excitement even, because they've just made new partnerships within the last couple weeks since after the lawsuit has been had. And Coinbase relisted, everything relisted, and still hasn't seen that price action. It's coming. It's coming. So, something I noticed in the chart here. Following these red and blue lines here, they cross right here. After this volume dies out, the red falls underneath the blue, and the red has sunk in. So now, my hypothesis, and it's happened before in previous pumps. You could even see it when the red was below the blue and then the red crossed over the blue, pump. So now, once we come out of this, it's going to be a macro scale of what happened over here. Bigger drop, bigger upside. And every time it drops, it'll make a bigger upside. It's done every time in history. So once this blue and the red cross again, support holds, we start working our way back up a little bit, and that the moving averages cross over, we should see a lot of green for XRP. So I'm going to continue to say get invested. And you have a lot of different cryptos out there. You pick a favorite. If you jump on my Discord, I have all the live stock prices, and we have different channels for each cryptocurrency that we try to break down, teach you more about it, have a community and a conversation over that crypto, because the news outlet isn't going to teach you this, so you got to ask questions and do your own research. So XRP, this is just talking about the crash that happened. XRPP guy on Twitter is saying this is the final shakeout. How do you know which one is the final shakeout when there's so many shakeouts? You can't guess it. You just got to DCA. Everyone in the crypto industry emphasizes you dollar cost average. Being honest, I don't do that. I'm around the market so much, any red day that's going below previous highs, making big wicks like this, 16% discount, I'm trickling in. Why not? Because if I DCA'd, I would have got at higher prices, so I'd trickle in a little bit more when the prices are down. That's my strategy, all right? Everyone can be a mad scientist about what they want to do. So this article here is talking about Bitcoin, ETH, and XRP's outlook in the future, and he was bullish on it, actually. Like, he said that it was going to flip. Ensuring demand pressure could see Bitcoin price shatter past the EMA and escape above the downtrend line. And that's what I was saying too. Downtrend line, once these moving averages cross, whip. So that's what I'm rooting for too. Latest breaking news with XRP, with the court case and everything, is that the SEC has appealed the ruling. So what that means is that the SEC was like, well, we don't agree with everything that ruling was, but only some things can be reversed. And the one thing that I believe cannot be reversed, and that I'm holding on to, you can check me, fact check me, whatever, that XRP is not a security. They made that, but maybe it has to be a law now. They're appealing it. So then, because there is no law made yet, if it is or not, so maybe they appeal it to put in a law in Congress and finally regulate cryptocurrency. Hopefully that's what's coming for the whole industry, is just clear regulatory clarity, and then hopefully an industry, a government backing that will have our support. You know how like your credit card is FDIC insured? So if something happens, fraud, spam, whatever, it's insured by that government agency that they'll help you get your funds back or return your funds, cancel the transaction. That's what we need in crypto. We don't have that safety. Everything is on our own, and yes, there's upside. This is the time to get in, but you got to be very careful now, because if you get scammed or send your money to the wrong address, there's no one there to help you. I know Coinbase is a great app and they do answer the phone, but these are risks you don't want to take as a crypto investor. So I'm going to keep this XRP video short, just going over the recent price action. I would say dive into some more if you can afford it, and stay tuned for the pump, because we're going to be jamming out, hanging out. So when you hear XRP's taking off, jump on into my YouTube channel. I'll probably be live, because I'm going to try to do like a 24-hour live stream when XRP's pumping to $4, $8, $10 within whatever it takes, a month, a week. But we're just looking for those 20% green candle days, man, that we saw back when Bitcoin took off and we went to $1.84. So hang in there. Be safe, everybody. And make sure to check out my other socials and stuff, all right? Go follow and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Peace. Done. XRP done. All right. What is going on, people? Man, I love going over stocks, whatever. This is my passion. It's what I love to do. I got into it 3 years ago now, and looking back at it and just going through what I did with COVID and beginning investing and the learning curves and the mistakes I've made, that's what I'm trying to teach you guys. I'm trying to point you in the right direction and help you learn faster as you start investing, so you don't make as much mistakes and you have someone to talk to, not just me, but our whole community. So feel free to look into our Discord and get involved. We have a bunch of different sections set up in the Discord. You could talk about a bunch of different stocks. Hell, you can make your own Discord section. So let's go over the U.S. dollar. It's back, baby. Not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Why am I so excited about it? I don't know. It had that crash. Holy cow, what a crash. And now it is fighting. But wait. It's in this nice channel here. Real nice channel. That like, I don't know, kind of like that. Kind of like that. Maybe. I don't know. I hope it breaks down again. The more times the dollar comes down, the more stocks and goods will go up. The dollar value is less. I feel like goods and services should go down, but with inflation now, everything's expensive. All right, so let's keep looking. Now we're going into the SPY. Ooh, SPDR. Look at all the red. Wow, these are big discounts here, people. You're talking 450 down to 435. It's not huge, but these moving averages are about to cross right here towards the downside, similar to the crypto space. So crypto might be leading right now, and the stock market might be following right behind. That's what it looks like. And I believe that, you know. Everyone in the stock market realm that I talk to has been talking about a big crash is coming. A lot of people moving out of their funds. Me personally, I'm just holding. And if it dips below my average price, I will DCA in some more and get my average cost down. QQQ. We were talking about this in the other video. You got QQQ and SQQQ, the inverse. Going from $3.70 to $20 discount. $20 discount is not bad. This is a very bullish stock, but you can see here it has began to flip and break. So what's going to come out of this? Like, are we going to see companies selling off and a bunch of FOMO? I'm totally messing this up. But DraftKings, man, it was on a tear, and now it's coming back. Hopefully, hits this pocket here. This resistance around $23 and holds $23. All right, that's what we want to look for. And if it goes underneath $23, buy it up. This is the accumulation range here. We zoom out here, look at the bigger picture. Hold on, let's go 1 year. All right, 5 years. There we go. Look at the bigger picture. It made a double bottom here that looks so nice. Made a nice W pattern. But our all-time high is still $60. And this is DraftKings hiring a lot of people, taking over the gambling industry in the Northeast, maybe Central too. Very popular though. Tesla, big discounts, man. What? Wait. Do you guys just see that? Elon Musk just freaking popped out here. That was wild. No way. If I click on it again, it'll work? No, it didn't come out that time. That's so weird. So when I clicked on Tesla, freaking Elon Musk came out. Where'd he go? Dang. That was cool, though. All right, so Tesla's seeing some nice discounts here. I know I was on camera with my face the whole time, so my apologies. All right, let's break down some TA for you guys today. It's the Crypto Hound here coming at you. Stock market is crashing. The cryptos are crashing. It looks like cryptos are leading and the U.S. stock market is following. And we're just going over some stocks here. We got Tesla. We looked at the dollar. Hopefully it comes back down. I think that'd be bullish for it. Then we looked at S&P 500 coming back down a little bit. QQQ. Let's look how oil's doing. Of course, that's insane. Oil's looking good. And it looked like the red and the blue, like it was going to go to the downside, and it was like shorted to the upside. It looked like it was going to crash with the rest of the market and then tore back up. That's bonkers. I don't know. DraftKings, popular stock here, one of my faves. $60 all-time high. Came back down, made a nice solid double bottom here. We're looking to accumulate at the $23 range. And if it breaks that $23 range, we want to eat it up. Eat it up. Tesla. Some really good discounts on Tesla right now. $229. Up in the 300s. You're talking all-time highs. We were creeping all-time highs up there in Tesla, which is crazy. So I think if we can get one more red day in here and it can touch like the 200 level, that would be a nice buying opportunity right there. You have this resistance here that had already hit off of the 213 level, so maybe that's it. These stocks aren't as volatile as the crypto. You got to remember that. Apple, Nvidia, kind of these tech stocks, these popular guys. Apple in all-time highs. Hasn't sold off a lot. No, it has not. Oh, it's Nvidia, not Apple, my bad. Microsoft coming down hard. But look, hasn't crossed this yet. Red is still above the blue. It's cool to see going from the XRP chart to other stocks and seeing kind of what direction. See, like everything has a pattern, and IBM, it looks like it's going to keep going up right here for a little bit. It does the same thing every time. Wild. Verizon's been real low. Look how terrible this looks. It is so suppressed right now. Great buying opportunities. This is a stock that's usually $60 stock and does not move a lot. Got oil. Let me look at some oil. Oil's looking good. Shout out to Dylan. Dylan's been telling me about oil and I should get into oil. And I got some mining stocks, but I think he's talking about more of the reserves. For cryptos, you got Quant. Was looking to break out of this pendant, but it's breaking to the downside. Under $1 Quant is juicy. Bitcoin. We got to zoom out a little further. Hold the phone. Alright, big bull run. Boom. Hit our tops up here. Big sell-off down to this range, 17,000. So, if you bought this, getting the best prices, You just got to pay attention every once in a while. And if you're in our Discord or just watch a video of mine every so often, I'll let you know if it's coming. And just this sell-off here, after we made this bullish, this could be a dead cat bounce, Came crashing down, bounced back up. We could see it go down. I've been saying that we were going to hit this 13,000 level since we began crashing. This is the level I've been waiting to. I don't know what I'd do if it hit this level here, 13,000. Which it was close, but it didn't go all the way down. So I'm hoping it hits that 13,000 mark if it does continue to crash. Honestly, I hope it doesn't. I was expecting it to come up here and hit this 786 pocket and then come back down and then look for the takeoff again at this 0.618 at the 39,000 mark. And these ideas I pulled from previous cycles and previous patterns, but not what exactly happened, but the key points of the catalysts that kind of got the stock market going and also sent it in the direction. So like when it hit here, then it went back down. So this was a high point. I was looking, if I did want to sell any, that would be the point. Or that would be the point I tell you guys, hey, we're going back down, look to accumulate more. This could be the last chance before we break out here. And we still have a lot of time before this. We're talking, this is 2025 here. 2024 in the spring. the halvening is going to start. So the halvening is going to happen here. What's going to happen before it right now is the question, you know? I would love to say that's the bottom, and we kind of just keep on chugging along. Then the halvening happens, and then we rip up. That'd be huge. I know you bought the dip. Shh. Yeah, I did. No, I think it's a good thing to tell people, too. You got to tell other people to buy the dip, and it's always how you want to come across it is what you're willing to lose, you should get invested. Getting new people into crypto, I tell them about the Coinbase free trial just to get the technology of it, get the whole address thing down. That's a great place to start. I was actually just talking to a construction worker. He was new to the site, just bumped into him, and it's amazing how a conversation talking about girls or women and work and job experiences can turn into talking about investing and setting yourself up for the future and having that macro mindset, looking in the future, being patient. And this guy, man, he had so many words of wisdom. Me and him were vibing. And he was like, this is the third time someone's told me about crypto. So if you're listening to this and this is the first time you heard about crypto, maybe you should, instead of waiting for the third person to tell you, maybe you should just get in now. Try whatever you can afford to lose. Just get in and learn about it. Ha! D Jenny wants to see the basketball. We'll give a shout out to the Sin City Crypto fam. Yup. It's been my foot rest. I've been just resting my feet on it. The boys, man. You can tell this basketball has been in their office for a while. And that's when they got 5K subs, man. It's crazy. It's nuts. But hopefully that's the direction we're going. We're just starting at the bottom, and when the bull market comes in, we're going to take off. Ooh, I don't know if I have any funny prompts like that. Anyway, all right, let's get off Bitcoin. Ethereum after the 2.0 merge. Does it have more support because of its efficiency now? Is Vlad Buterin really a genius? So we were up, that crossed. This is interesting. Let's look at the 6 month. We gotta get closer. Sorry about that. Usually I'm a lot more tired and I'm streaming at the end of the night. Alright, so the blue was above, the red crossed it. Big sell off here for ETH, 16,000. Hitting this previous support down there as well. Now let's go bigger time frame. So that was the bottom back there. Where's our support now? We could put in a fib here. Hold on. Hold the phone. Fibonacci time. I'd say our upper support's going to be around this line here. And then bottom is pretty active right there. I like that. That's really active. Man, this Fibonacci scale is so good. Yo, D Jenny, you got to check out this other dude, Altcoin Daily, I believe. He helped me with this Fibonacci scale here for TA. He helped me color code it and then put in like number the levels or something. And he got it from an XRP Army vet. Oh, cool. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. This was just one night. I wish this on the board thing just kind of self-updated it. Working by myself, it's so hard to update everything. I'm just going to leave it up for the TA and for the chat. But honestly, I could just kind of copy this template and then just remove it for the next one. Dude, I just appreciate you hopping on. And I have big news. Since you're here, we're going to be on Around the Blockchain again in September. It was supposed to be August. I kept it a secret. I was waiting for them to solidify a date. I went on vacation too for 2 weeks. And it sounds like September it's going to happen again. We're going to jump back in Around the Blockchain. Hang out with DZ. They got so many people that work there, man. Since I've been there and I met some of the people, I now I'm following on Twitter, and there's so many people that know each other, kind of are in that circle, and they're just fun to banter with on Twitter too. You see me over there. I gotta check out some of your videos too, man. Yeah, it's wild. I can't believe I'm given that opportunity. I'm gonna keep rolling with it, and I gotta keep coming out with my own content too. And this is actually my third video I'm recording in the last hour, so it's money. This will be the last one, going over TA, and then I'll video edit them, get them out as soon as possible. Compound, which is one of our favorite cryptos. Not a lot of people, other than me, invest in it or like it or heavy on it. I made a compound challenge when it was down at $32. Wow, that's when I started the comp challenge. Called that bottom. And on the Discord, I was like, try to buy 10 comp for $32. So it's $320 investment. And then we saw it pump up to like $60 again. And we were like, woo! Then it came back down. And I was like, all right, don't forget about the challenge. Pop back up again to 50, almost $60. Then it went up to $80. Almost got into that upper support range that I was looking for. Just touched the top there. But we are still in massive accumulation range here. It does look scary for comp because it's residing on this lower end of the accumulation. But I'm still bullish on it, man. My only concern is ETH going with the merge, making it efficient. Do they not need this storage provider comp that is a fork off of the Ethereum one? That's the question. I don't know. But look at the discounts for Litecoin right now. Oh, I was looking at this on just Coinbase and I was drooling. Because this stock has been riding up here in this $80 to $90, $100 range for so long. Oh, and it was at $54 there. That was the time to buy. And we're talking all-time highs at $380, and this is $50. I like it. I like it a lot. Polymatic, which was so overly hyped here. It's $1.50 and came crashing down. This is our little trend line here, and it broke it. But now with our moving averages, I'm starting to pick up on when this, right? The red means it's bullish. The red flipping the blue. Woo! Taking off. Now when this red sinks under the blue, that's scary times. And it actually crossed here, which is a bullish signal. But it did not last. I don't know if that's... it does look it was longer than 24 hours, and it came back down. So it's this signal here, when that red, which is the 20-day moving average, falls below the 50-day moving average, you can expect big downside. So what just happened here lately? The red flipped to blue. We had a small pump. And then the red flipped to blue, and we're going down. Now, using this as your tool, it's kind of to pick up trends more than to use it going in the future. Because look, like, now that we're bottoming out here, are we bottoming out here? How do you know based on these lines that happened in the past? You don't. It's general trends, picking up on just direction of the market. Tell you, just having a nice sell-off event is just exciting in the market. ADA, huge buying prices here. Wow, loving that. Poly, not Poly. What's Poly? Matic, my bad. Proppy, this is a real estate crypto. People are starting to buy houses with crypto. People will continue buying houses with crypto as long as crypto keeps going up. You know what I'm saying? People will want to find a way to buy houses with their crypto instead of taking the sell tax, converting it, moving it to the bank, and then paying for a house. So I believe this has a future. I like it. Sheeb, a lot of talk about it. There's like Sheeb Universe that's coming out. They had problems with it, and that's the reason why it's down. I think we're going to find support here, this range, and I think it's going to start chugging right back up. I think it'll do fine. I'm a big fan of Sheeb, honestly. Now you got Coinbase, Robinhood, all with really nice discounts, relatively speaking, right? But this red hasn't crossed the blue. It was way overbought, right? So maybe we'll have one more day down where this red will cross the blue. And I would say if you're seeing the red cross the blue and it's a really good buying opportunity, I'd say buy it. Or even like right now, this might be the best opportunity to buy it. But man, I really wish I bought in at $50. That's where I'm punching myself. But don't beat yourself up too much, because time is going to change all of our lives. Just don't know how. Other than that, just go on to UPS. Oh my goodness. No, that's not that bad. I'm just zoomed in a lot. It did look pretty bad though. Little UPS action. Because didn't they have a bunch of news? They were rioting, and then they pay their salaries of the workers freaking ridiculous amount. This is my underdog. I feel for my sister. She got invested in this one in the top, and it's came back down so far. Hopefully there's a bottom here somewhere. Could this be Head and Shoulders forming here? Boom, boom, boom. I hope so, man, and I hope it's a rocket launcher back to the upside, because this one has turned a lot of investments into pennies, which is very sad. But this is my update, technical analysis, just going over the current crash in the market. We'll see what happens in the future, but you know what to do now with these kind of discounts, so don't miss out. Crypto Hound out. Alright, that's our freaking videos. Now we just gotta edit them and get them out there. What you up to this weekend, D. Jenny? You look like you're from Michigan or something. D. Jenny. Or Chicago. You know what? No. I bet you're from Washington if you're still here. I'm guessing you're from Washington. It's got that kind of vibe. Maybe a snowboard, skier kind of dude. But I'll definitely get into your videos, man, and start being more interactive there. I appreciate all the support you've been giving me. I gotta return the favor. We gotta grow together. We're both trying to start from the bottom. Let's check out D. Jenny's YouTube channel while we're on. While we're live. Supporting a friend. There he is. Crypto is dead. Why does he look so excited? I love the pictures of us that you put in front. Tell you, good job with the thumbnails, man. NFL NFTs on flow. Is it time to sell? Good talk there. I like that. What crypto jersey you rocking this year, D. Jenny? You got to go retweet at me. Elon Musk can moon anything, bro. We all know that. Well, not all of us, but. Yeah, the PayPal news is huge. Even the price action of PayPal is going to be huge. Hell yeah, bro. My man D. Jenny. Oh, he's a goat.
Don't they know that Elon Musk could send this thing to the moon, and I'm going to show you how.
I just switched to the Down Under country mix. My bad, D. Jenny. I don't know what just happened there.
Why are people selling the
Did I do that? Fishies are feisty today, I tell you. Let me tell you. Alright, let's get these videos out. Bum 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 ba na 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 na. gonna share this on Twitter, see if anyone wants to drop on by and chat with us. I wish you could kind of stream and get like Evan Aldo is speaking market talk right now. That's awesome. Good for Evan Aldo, man. He's just a normal TA guy like us too. What am I doing today? I just wanted to say that I'm live. That's it. I just deleted Twitter completely. No way, Manawak. There's my boy. Such a good dude. Big Bitcoin guy. Wee. I like that. Can I message him? Let's get him in the Discord, man. I'd love that. Manawak's such a good dude. I actually saw him in the studio when he was there too. He works construction. He's playing golf with Taco? Get out of here. That's awesome. Man, such a great community here. I'm telling you, it's Elon's fault. Bump, 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 na 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 na. I guess we won't end the stream, but I got a video edit, man. So we got a video edit on this one. I'll leave this up. Hang with the peeps. It may crash, might lose y'all. But I'll show you me video editor. It's not a lot of fun, but I could even just leave on Fiat Leak and then do the video editing on the side. Could do that. Best option. This is a good one. I literally made a video on a piece of paper, like a little notepad I had, just everything I've written down last month. Some high quality stuff on this paper, I'm telling you. You guys should be lucky I'm sharing it. Really should. Volume, gotta crank that shit up. Alright, that's not the red video. Too many options on this tab. Holy cow. Remove selected clips. Delete. Ha! Not that one either. No, it's not. Remove. So yeah, just comment whatever you want me to talk about. Say what up. Yo, D Jenny, man, we gotta get you in a freaking. We gotta collab. I feel like me and D Jenny would go off.